Hey, Gab, you ready for the first adventure? All right.
Every time you video me, I'm by the coffee maker.
That's right, because you need coffee to stay awake.
Yes.
And not be mean.
Or grumpy.
Or grumpy. Okay, are you ready? Okay. Are you guys ready to go on the first Saxe family adventure? Do you think we're leaving you? No, we wouldn't leave you. All right, we're all hooked up and ready to go. It's a nice, horrible, rainy day. We just got to get the dogs loaded up, and my parents are coming with us, so as soon as they get here, we'll hit the road. Hey, we made it to the KOA. I'm gonna go check in at the office. Leo, you stay. So I gotta unlock the door to get out.
It would be good.
TK, stay back.
We're all checked in. They got lots of rules. You know how Daddy loves lots of rules.
Sure, they have lots of rules.
Everything past Rule 3 I will disregard.
Oh God, really?
Yeah.
What was Rule 3?
I don't know. I forgot.
Are we ready to go in?
One of them was like no children climbing in the trees.
I disapprove.
We have to worry about that one, don't we, Gab?
That's our spot right there. We're gonna go over and get it.
How do you know?
I looked at the map.
That's just like storage.
Gotta clean up the poo. It's $20 per poo.
$20 per food. We gotta know.
Yeah.
Better not go on the grass, you know.
Did you laugh?
Yeah.
How do they know whose poo it is?
Well, if we catch you, they say.
Tell by the smell.
By the size.
Even dirty.
Okay, so we're just opening up the slide.
Like they were breathing on it.
You wanna come out, Gab?
Yeah.
Leave the dogs in.
Move it.
Go ahead,
Taylor.
come back.
This is
Taylor, nuh-uh.
So it's okay to move?
So we're just gonna. Oh no!
Are you still videoing?
Yep. So we're setting up the camp. Right now. It's tight.
So this is the wet bay. Okay.
Yes.
Gab, this is the adventure part right here. Is the hooking up the poo hose.
Here's the mace. Blech.
The Waste Master?
Yeah. That we installed in our last video. Go check that out.
Yeah, you should check out our last one. The Waste Master install. Okay. It's open. There was is off. 50 amp is on. we're hooked in.
Hello.
So, to fix when you own an RV, right, Deb?
Yeah.
You gotta just kind of roll with the punches, right? Why are you laughing? Still leaky. And we'll do it. Where'd the clamp go? Slide down. Yay, no more leaks. All right, Cheska prepared this taco soup before we left the house and let it sit in the crock pot for 4 hours. Looks yummy.
This is a person. Nah. Hey!
What are you doing?
Kissing a marshmallow.
Kissing a marshmallow? It's better than kissing a frog, I guess.
She just said that she doesn't like chocolate.
What is wrong
So
with that kid?
no chocolate s'mores.
Hey,
It's just a marshmallow.
have some
and
sort of adventure and eat some chocolate.
graham cracker.
I like other chocolates,
All right,
but
we
not
got the
Hershey.
brand new
Like Hershey
propane
chocolates on it.
fire pit because
I like Hershey Kisses.
no campfires
Oh, yeah.
are allowed in here.
Okay, I got your graham cracker ready.
We got 2 dogs
Oh no.
sitting by the fire. A crazy kid.
Okay.
Show us how it's done, Gabs.
A universe.
Please don't get your hair out.
Yeah, don't catch your hair on fire. That would be bad.
Stay back here.
Is that what you... Oh, what? You gonna catch it on fire?
Yes.
Yeah, I thought you were just supposed to, like, roast it.
Marshmallows are the best.
Oh, okay.
Let's take cool. Who likes birds and who likes toast?
Toast it over here.
Oh, there you go. How is it that you always just
Get the top.
get your marshmallow in your farther, I guess?
I feel like it's leaky.
You're a dangerous kid.